backwards in our civilization that we cannot find equivalent any language. जैसे कि धर्म. Can you find an equivalent to dharma in any other language? You cannot find an equivalent. Religion is not dharma. Religious comes from the Latin word religios. Rituals, practice, rites and rituals. और धर्म आते हैं कौन सा शब्द से? मन को धारण करना. How to hold our minds in balance for righteous cause. That is dharma. We cannot find an equivalent for sadhana. What is sadhana? Is it practice? Is it habit? So trying to translate what cannot be translated, that also gives us a misunderstanding of our own nation. So there is much to learn. Democracy व लोकतंत्र कोई पाश्चात्य से नहीं आया है. It is not a gift given to us by the West. That's why Modi ji says, India is the mother of all democracies. He has stated and restated this fact because we had Nirvachan by election, what we call today, even in our Vedic societies, in the Buddhist Sanghas. Today I can see that book, Loktantra ka Sanskriti. The culture of Loktantra or republic or democracy found its voice first in India, in Bharat. The Vedic communities is to elect the leaders, is to elect a committee to run their affairs. The Buddhist Sanghas, तो संघ जो थे बुद्धिस्ट समाज में, वो भी अपने चुनाव करते थे, निर्वाचन करते थे, जो निर्वाचित होते थे वही सब कुछ करता था. And the essence of democracy is that everyone must be heard. Everyone must be heard equally. सबका सुनना चाहिए. वो शक्तिशाली हो या गरीब हो, धोबी हो या सेनापति हो. That concept is highlighted in the Ramayana. When Bhagavan Sri Ram listens to even a dhobi's complaint. The right to equality, the right to opinion, the right to expression. So हमको नहीं सीखना है वो कोई अमेरिका से या लंदन से right to expression. And we have to learn all these things as we go along. And youth parliament is a platform. Is a platform of learning. जो हमारा न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग, एक है टेक्स्ट बुक लर्निंग, एक है एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग. तो हमारे जो एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग, आज कंप्यूटर आ गए तो थोड़ा कम ही हो गया. हम आधे दिन तो स्क्रीन देखते रहते हैं, या तो कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन, नहीं तो मोबाइल स्क्रीन, नहीं तो टैब स्क्रीन, कुछ ना कुछ स्क्रीन में चला जाते हैं हमारे आधा दिन. सो ऐसे जो प्लेटफॉर्म है आप लोग का यूथ पार्लियामेंट का, these are platforms where you can interact with each other. There is a lot of development in the internet. There is a lot of development in the technical world, but there is less interaction. There is less person-to-person interaction. There is less person-to-person learning through exchange of ideas, and that is democracy. ये नहीं कि डेमोक्रेसी ये है कि पार्लियामेंट जाके आप भाषण दो और वो हल्ला चिल्ला करो, वही डेमोक्रेसी. ऐसा नहीं है. Democracy is a process of learning from each other. through meaningful debate, as one of the Vice Chancellor was saying, not only debate for debate's sake, debate for learning. And our nation, Bharat, has been advocating this, learning through debate. You know, we have a very nice concept in India. We say neti. Neti means this is not it. And by questioning and questioning, we come to the essence of the thing. We come to the essence of the thing by questioning. This is one of the ways that the Vedas has prescribed for reaching the truth. Reaching the truth through questioning, through informed questioning. That will lead to the truth, lead to discoveries. And Youth Parliament is one of these platforms. ऐसा मंच है कि जहाँ पर हम बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं. We can learn not only through Google, learn through exchange of ideas, learn through introspection, learn through discussion, learn through debate. ये बहुत कम हो गया आजकल. Most of the time we are looking at screen, ready-made है, कुछ जानना है तो लगाओ screen को. So we know a lot of one-line answers. उस देश का कैपिटल कौन सा है, उसका पॉपुलेशन कितना है, उसका डेप्थ कितना है, उसका चौड़ाई कितना है, उसका लंबा कितना है, वो सब जानते हैं हम. लेकिन किस लिए है वो हम जानते नहीं. क्यों है वो जानते नहीं है. What we want, what should be the future of this nation, that Google cannot tell you, you can tell. Your young people, the India of tomorrow resides in your vision, not in my vision. What this great nation will be tomorrow, how this democracy will be tomorrow, will it be a strong democracy, will it be a meaningful democracy, is to be decided by you. It is not my dream or people of my age. It is not their dream that will make India. It is your dream that will make India. It is your dream, your vision, your tenacity that will strengthen the democracy of this country. And the first line in the Indian Constitution, which is the most sacred book we say, is "We the people." And when we say "we the people," we are not talking of any religion, we are not talking of any caste, we are not talking of any community, we are saying we are the people of India. This is the first line and the essence of the Constitution. That is the essence of the Constitution. We the people of India. When we become strong, the nation will become strong. When the people of India become weak, the nation becomes weak. When the society is strong, the nation becomes strong. That's why Modi ji has said, Sabka Prayas. He spoke about Sarkar and Samaj. He is probably the first minister who has said this. The Sarkar and Samaj are not two separate things. They must go hand in hand. And this great nation has this great history, great value systems that we must take forward. And the Prime Minister has made another lovely point when he spoke about 2047 as being the Viksit Bharat year. He said, Vikas bhi, Virasat bhi. There must be Vikas with Virasat. Vikas without Virasat is aimless, destinationless. There is no objective to it. To give an objective to Vikas, to development, there must be Virasat. The value systems, that have been cherished by this great country.